Okay, we have a Fadal Vertical Machining Center, model 15XT, serial number 97087008. Machine was new in 1997. We're gonna run it for you.
2,000 RPM.
Right now it's running at 2,000 RPM. The machine comes equipped with a Fadal Cnc 88HS control. That's 3,500 RPM. The machine does go up to 7,500 RPM. It's a Cat 40 spindle.
5,000.
That's 5,000 RPM, and it has a 21 tool ATC automatic tool changer. We're gonna do another one. Machine also has a 38 by 16 inch table with 30 inches of X travel, 16 inches of Y, and 20 inches of Z. That is your Z axis. Your Y. And your X. Okay, machine also is equipped with coolant, rigid tapping, it has expanded memory. That is our video. Hey, thank you for watching.